Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to break in a new pair of shoes easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have a brand new pair of shoes and you want them to be broken in, you want them to feel more comfortable on your feet, this is the video for you. I'm going to be going over 4 simple steps that you can use and do, 4 things that you can do to break in that new pair of kicks faster and more easily than ever before. Most people will just wear them and accept the fact that they're probably going to be a little bit uncomfortable at first, but there are things you can do to maximize your comfort as soon as possible. Let's get right into the video. Number 1 is to stretch them by hand. So literally, when you get your new pair of shoes, before you put them on, before you even tie up the laces, these are fairly new. They're already broken in. They're not new. These are my wife's shoes. She wears them when she's working out in the basement. That's why they still look brand new, basically. But she's worn them many, many times, okay? So they've been broken in, right? But before you even tie up the laces, you want to get your hand in there and stretch them out as much as you can like that. So stretch them out as much as you can. Take them and stretch them in as well. So you're stretching them in like that. Stretch them like this, not too much because you don't really want to bend the sole too much, right? And then like this, not too much, but just a little bit, right? You can give them a little twist as well. Okay, just maneuver them as much as you feel comfortable. Don't overdo it because you don't want to manipulate the shoes or work the shoes, but definitely stretch them by hand to really get them to be broken in a little bit to start the breaking in process. Number 2, this is a little tip that I picked up many years ago and it works wonders when it comes to breaking in your shoes. You want to wear double socks for the first few hours that you are wearing your new shoes, okay? So you want to put on a double pair of socks. That's going to add a little tiny bit of thickness to your foot, so when you put it in there, it's going to press out, right? Then when you're wearing your regular single pair of socks the next time, the shoe is going to contract a little bit, and it's going to basically be perfectly sized around your foot. So wear a double pair of socks for the first few hours, or the first time, basically, that you're wearing the shoe. And then the shoes, or the pair of shoes, whatever you want to call it, okay? 1 shoes, 2 shoes, 3 shoes, however many shoes you have, okay? I don't know what your situation is. I'm just assuming you have 1 shoe that you're breaking in at a time or 2 shoes, like a pair of shoes at the same time. But wear double socks the first time that you wear those shoes. Sorry about going off on a tangent about the number of shoes, but we're going to go on to number 3. Number 3 is to use a hairdryer to heat up the material a little bit. You need to get a hairdryer. Don't put it on the hottest setting. You want to use like a medium heat setting. And essentially, you want to heat up, assuming that your hairdryer has a medium heat setting. If not, you can use a hot setting and just sort of go on and off to create a medium heat setting, basically. You want to heat up the material for about 3 minutes, give or take. When you heat up that material for about 3 minutes, it's going to expand, okay? Then you can do your maneuvering. You can put your foot in there. You know, you can maneuver it and break it in as much as possible. And then when the material contracts, it's going to be nicely shaped because you have sort of used that hairdryer to heat it up, okay? And then lastly is number 4. And like I said, with the hairdryer, you want to be careful. Obviously, you want to make sure that your shoe can sort of take that hairdryer heat, right? So obviously, you look at the material, you look at the label, you make sure you can do that. But, you know, from my experience, I've done it with all my shoes and it's worked fine. But that's just my own personal experience, just so you know. Lastly is number 4, okay? Number 4 is to wear them around the house for a whole day. So basically, you want to just wear them around the house because they're new. They're not going to be dirty. You can wear them around the house. Wear them around the house for an entire day. If you wear them around your house for an entire day, you're going to really break them in. Most people will wear their shoes out for an hour or 2 hours outside, but if you wear them around the house for 6 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, you're going to really break them in so that when you wear them outside, they're going to already be broken in, okay? And it's as simple as that. That is how to break in a brand new pair of shoes more faster. Oh my gosh, that doesn't even make grammatical sense, Mike. Come on, get with the program. Once again, we're going to try that again. It's late at night. I'm pretty tired. It's been a long day, but I wanted to bang out all these videos, okay? So just so you know, you can see it's starting to get dark outside. I'm exhausted, but I'm getting through it. So we're going to roll that outro again. So that is basically it. That is how to break in a new pair of shoes faster and more easily than ever before. A full tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.